Welcome to Kickboxing at Sifuok Wing Chun, where professional instructors cover techniques and combinations from American kickboxing, Sanda, Muay Thai, Western boxing, and Taekwondo, while working on your cardiovascular endurance and strength training in each class at your own pace. I want to welcome you to our studio and to your new second home, a fun and safe place to learn, making friends, and becoming your best you. Remember, the longer you train and push, the greater your results. Putting in the time on our floor will give you the results you are looking for. Workouts are done at your own pace, which means you can take your time and build yourself up. You're not worried about being the best in the room, you are only worried about becoming your best you. Everyone is welcomed here and looking to uplift each other in a powerful and meaningful way. Never trained with us? Well, then contact us today and get a 2-week trial of our classes so you can make the first step on your journey and start achieving your long-term goals.